This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
So if you have a mobile app, there are actually two ways in which you can you can try promoting them. One of them is mobile app install ads, and the other one, which is actually the subject of today's case study discussion, is App Store optimization. Actually, the app install ads are quite cost effective. If you look at the typical prices on the Play Store and the iOS App Store, but the problem is that you encounter at the end of the day they're ads, right? So you encounter it when you are on Facebook or some other sites, and you just you come across the ad. Now, as opposed to that, the other tactic, which is App Store optimization, refers to people discovering you on app stores when you are searching for related apps. Now, for example, if you are searching for business news apps and you come across a few apps like Bloomberg News and some other BBC News, etc., and then you actually are looking for a business news app, so the chances of you going and installing a news app right away and actually using it are quite high. So the difference between the second tactic and the first tactic is that one word which really marketers go after, and that is intent, right? So when you're searching on the App Store, you have intent, you're more likely to install and actually use the app, as opposed to the ads that you see on say Facebook, right? The mobile app install ads that you see on Facebook, where there is no intent, right? Now, App Store optimization is actually an area where not many businesses actually pay close attention to, and but there are quite a few factors here. I mean, the main ones would be how relevant is your app title, the subtitle, and the description, right? The crawlers and the system has to find your these elements of the app relevant, and only then is there a chance of the app ranking, right? The other bit is that unlike say a web page, what also matters in the case of an app is the other number of reviews, how high the rating is, and also interestingly how regularly are you responding to reviews, right? So those are the factors based on which typically App Store ranking depends. So in today's case study task, what you have to do is that you have to give suggestions to increase the ranking of Bada Business Dr. Vivek Bindra, this particular app on the Play Store app. Now, Dr. Vivek Bindra actually is a very popular a motivational speaker. He talks a lot about entrepreneurship, startups, and how people from various backgrounds can start their own business. He does most of his talking in Hindi, so it's really a mass kind of audience that he's catering to. Now you have to look at this app, you have to study this app, and first of all understand the current rankings. Now, to understand the current rankings, there are some tools which are being given on the page, so you can use that. Then you have to study the kind of searches, the kind of keywords that people are using when they are searching on the Play Store, and for that also there is a tool given on this page called keywordtool.io. So you can use both of this and kind of put your ideas together with respect to what Bada Business needs to do to start ranking on the relevant terms in its business. Thank you.